What's this creature with claws so white? I touched its face, now I must hide. It's not a toy, it's kinda mean. That little pinch made me scream. Big eyes blinking from afar. What are you, a wizard, a star? You turned your head, I nearly flew. That stare went right into my soul. Ooh, ooh. The eyes blinking from afar. What are you, a wizard, a star? You turned your head, I nearly flew. That stare went right into my soul. Ooh, ooh. What's that fuzzball hopping by? A bunny, a friend, or just a surprise? Paws reach out, sniff and stare. Little kitten, unaware. Claws meet lobster, wiggles and flinches. Inches, wide eyes dart in many pinches. From bunnies to What's this creature with claws so white? I touched its face, now I must hide. It's not a toy, it's kinda mean. That little pinch made me scream. What's this creature with claws so white? I touched its face, now I must hide. It's not a toy, it's kinda mean. That little pinch made me scream. What's this creature with claws so white? I touched its face, now I must hide. It's not